Hi, I want to show you today how to complete the 2 assignments you need for Google Classroom today. So you're going to complete your class survey first, then log into RoomSketcher to get the link and paste it into your Google Classroom assignment. After that, you'll put final touches on your design before your presentations. So let me show you how to complete your class survey. So you're going to go into Google Classroom. And once you're in Google Classroom, you need to choose the course Explorations Academy. You can go to Stream or you can go to Classwork. I would say go to Classwork and then click on Class Survey. Click there and you're going to click on the survey and complete it. After you're done with the class survey, go back into Google Classroom, click on Stream. Under Stream, it says log into roomsketcher.com here. You're going to click on that link and then you're going to click Sign In. Once you're signed into RoomSketcher, click Projects on the left side, then choose your project. So I'm going to click on KitKat 2. Click on your project. And then over here it says Share Home Designer, and there's your link. So what you can do is go back into Google Classroom, go back to Classwork. It says Link to Interior Design. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open that. And it says Paste the link to your interior design below. So you can either go over and select it and click copy and then go back to the document and hit Control V and that will paste it. Or what you can do is you can click on the link and that little hand will come up. You're going to drag, hold it down, click on it, hold it down, and drag it over to your Google Classroom assignment. You see that plus sign? Then you're going to let go and not hold it down anymore. And now your link is there. Okay. After you complete your link, you're going to go into your project and you're going to add some more details. Add finishing touches. Once you're done with finishing touches, I like for you to go in and add an extra floor. So if you have 2 floors or you only have 1 floor, you need to add an extra floor. So you'll click on New Level. And here's some floor templates. So choose one you would like. This little green person here, when you click on it, a little flashlight thing comes up. If you hit this camera button, it says take snapshot. It's going to give you a 3D snapshot of your floor plan. So after you finish your survey, then you're going to go in, log into RoomSketcher, paste the link into the Google Classroom assignment, do your final touches before your presentation.